Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to talk about gold mining stocks as the price of gold approaches $5,000 per ounce, which I think is going to be a psychological level of resistance to really watch. So that's my prediction. Now, we'll see what happens. But here's the thing. Gold has obviously been on a tear lately. I mean, there's no doubt we are in a massive momentum trade here with the price of gold. Now, how long does this last? I think obviously nobody knows, but my prediction has always been 5 to 10,000 per ounce. I think we can hit 5 to 10,000 per ounce. This bull market has been long overdue. It's been a long time coming, and here we are. So congratulations to everybody who's been patient with this, because 10 years ago it was a totally different story. And we were under, I think at one point, $1,500 an ounce. We went down to like 1,000. So if you guys were able to buy at those prices, like, congratulations, you guys are doing absolutely very well. So I want to use our premium platform, Daily Investment Advice Pro. If you guys are interested, check it out in the description. I've been working on this single-handedly, trying to build as much value for you guys as possible with this to help you easily locate information in stocks. You can use our professional stock and ETF research tool, for example, to pinpoint specific opportunities and generate research reports. You can also check out our opportunity finder. Now, this is what we're going to use today. So we have all kinds of categories. You can simply plug these in, click on it. It'll generate an analysis. Or you can come over here and say, find me some gold mining stocks to buy. And we're going to let this run. Sometimes this can take a minute or two, but we'll just let this run here and see what it comes up with. Well, that's not good. Let's try this again. Sometimes you will run into errors on this thing. Let's try this one more time. It's not perfect. This is a one-man operation, but gold mining stocks to buy now. Let's try this one more time here. There it is. Okay, so here it is, guys. We're going to go over this real quick. And first of all, let's talk about the gold mining sector. So the gold mining sector is experiencing a significant upswing driven by record high gold prices and strong investor interest. In 2025, mutual funds investing in gold mining companies have significantly outperformed other sectors, while gold mining funds surged approximately 114% year to date. The surge is attributed to increased investor interest due to a U.S. government shutdown and potential Federal Reserve rate cuts, which have boosted gold demand. Major players like Newmont and Barrick have reported strong earnings and shareholder-friendly actions, including share buybacks and dividend increases. Despite past challenges from rising costs, gold miners are now benefiting from strong profits and cash flows, leading to improved balance sheets. Analysts see additional upside, especially in smaller mining companies and explorers. The favorable environment presents compelling opportunities if you're an investor seeking exposure to the gold mining sector. So first of all, we have Newmont. As the world's largest gold producer, Newmont has demonstrated resilience and strategic growth. In 2025, the company reported a record free cash flow of $1.2 billion, driven by a 41% year-over-year increase in realized gold prices. So there it is. Now, if you guys were around on the channel in 2023, I was talking about this stock when it was under $35 a share. So that ship has kind of sailed at this point. This one, I think, has gone up the most out of a lot of the large gold producers, or close to it. I mean, we've gone, at least from when I was talking about it, and even going back to like April. Come on over to FinViz and check this out. Newmont Mining. It was trading at like $45 a share, or under $45 a share back in April. So if you look at, right here, $45, now we're at $90. So it's more than doubled in the last, not even 1 year. So pretty impressive move there for Newmont. And even going back, like most of this move, you could have bought this in 2023 or any time, really. It came down from 60. But, I mean, this was just at the beginning of the year, trading at $38 a share. So this was a tremendous opportunity back then, and it was for a long time. But like I said, that ship has sailed, and this is really just momentum at this point. So Record free cash flow of $1.2 billion in 2025. Strategic divestitures that strengthened the balance sheet. 41% year-over-year increase in realized gold prices. It's probably more at that, more like 50%, I think it was. But anyway, while Newmont's diversified operations mitigate risk, fluctuations in gold prices and geopolitical factors can impact profitability. So just something to keep in mind. Here's some additional information, kind of the same thing, but going over some key financial metrics and things as we just discussed. But let's go to the next one here. AEM, or Agnico Eagle Mines Limited. This one has also had a pretty good move. So it has solidified its position as a leading gold producer with operations in multiple countries. In 2025, the company reported a 1% year-over-year increase in mineral reserves, totaling 54.3 million ounces. So we have operational challenges in diverse jurisdictions may pose risk, but the company's experience mitigates this. We have basically all this information here is going over some of the same things, but it says the management quality in particular, comparable analysis, Agnico Eagle's diversified portfolio positions it well among its peers, and Agnico Eagle's diversified global operations provide a strong competitive moat. So just some things to keep in mind there. AEM currently trading at 175, 12-month target of $205.90, according to our AI engine here that is generating these recommendations. And it looks like here we have, since April, roughly $100 a share. Now it's at 175. So yeah, pretty good move in terms of this one as well, obviously. And that just comes with the momentum of the price of gold. And assuming gold keeps going up, then this should continue to do well. It's all in anticipation of the earnings. It's in anticipation of the earnings that are going to be coming out in coming quarters as the price of gold continues to go up. That will obviously be very well or very good for their earnings. And so that's what investors are anticipating. So this one has 18% upside according to this 12-month price target, $205 price target on this one. So that's AEM. Let's go on to Franco-Nevada Corporation, FNV, price of 203, 12-month target of $235 a share roughly. Franco-Nevada is a gold royalty company. So this one is all about collecting income from gold producers, basically. So if you want to earn, like, I guess kind of you could say a dividend from gold, Franco-Nevada is the one that you want to look at. Now, this one actually does pay a dividend. It's a small one. But as a gold royalty company, that's how they make their revenue. So, yeah, Franco-Nevada Corporation has gone from, as you can see, $140 up to $200 per share. And so a pretty solid move. That's just from the April timeframe once again. And not bad. Not bad at all for this one either. But it just comes with that momentum like we've been talking about. This momentum right here, guys. This is what we're looking at. When this keeps on going up, you're going to see the gold mining stocks act as a leveraged bet against this, right? And same with silver. So if you're looking specifically at like silver miners or ETFs, if silver shoots up to $100 an ounce, those stocks are going to do very, very well. So it is exciting to think about. It is something to consider. But don't get too excited because what goes up must come down. This is not going to continue forever. The gold bull market may just be getting started. It may hit $10,000 an ounce. It may not. But regardless, it's volatile, right? Commodities are volatile. Anyway, Franco-Nevada Corporation. Let's see here. So obviously, like some of the same things, exposure to commodity price fluctuations, diversified streams mitigate risk. Consider initiating a position during market corrections to benefit from long-term growth. Franco-Nevada's diversified streaming model provides a robust competitive moat. The management team is recognized for its strategic growth and operational efficiency. Franco-Nevada's unique business model differentiates it from traditional miners. There it is. Then we have Wheaton Precious Metals. Now, this one right here is this a... So let me see here about Wheaton Precious Metals. Are they a streaming company as well? I forget if they are a streaming company or what type of company they are, if they're actually a gold producer. I thought they were a gold producer. It's saying it's a streaming company. Now we have to look this up. Okay, so it is. It is. So Wheaton Precious Metals is, and I'm just trying to verify some of these facts because sometimes, like I said, it's not perfect. Yeah, so this is accurate. Okay. Yeah, so 633,000 ounces is what it's telling us here. So yeah, gold equivalent ounces. So this is looks like a gold streaming / royalty company as well here, but diversified portfolio of precious metal streamer type company. So yeah, it's a good company. It's another good company, and diversified, driven by increased production and strategic acquisitions, enhanced through efficient streaming agreements, and conservatives to maintain financial flexibility. The management team is recognized for strategic growth and operational efficiency. Wheaton's unique business model differentiates it from traditional miners, and Wheaton's diversified streaming model provides a robust competitive moat. So that's WPM, Wheaton Precious Metals. This one has a 12-month price target of $120 a share, currently trading at 105. So still some upside on this one as well, it looks like. And I think those price targets are reasonable. I mean, if momentum keeps up with this, then I think those price targets can easily be hit. It's just a matter of the price of gold really taking off and hitting that 5,000 plus mark. We're going to see this larger move in the gold mining stocks, and that momentum is going to continue. So here it is, guys. We have a dividend of 0.64%. Less than 1%, not much, but you get something. And the thing is with these dividends, they can really go up, as their earnings increase. And that brings me to my next one, which is BTG or B2 Gold. I've talked about this one as well. I really like this one, but this one was under $3 a share. You could have bought this for $2.60. It's more than doubled since then. Pretty good move. This one also pays a dividend, a little bit more actually, 1.7, 1.8%. So I bring this one up as well. It did not come up on the list that we had on the platform here, but I like that company a lot, B2G Gold. So B2 Gold Corporation is a great stock as well to keep in mind. That's our fifth one of the day here. And this one is only $5 a share. Now, market cap on this one is $7.34 billion, so it was a $3 billion company. Now it's a $7 billion company. Market value has definitely gone up, obviously, like the other ones, but technically still considered a small cap, or I guess you could say a junior gold mining stock. But when I think of junior miners, I think of more in early stage production. This one is a pretty established player. I forget how many ounces they have. Let me see what their BTG total gold production. Let me see here. It says 804,778 ounces. So yeah, I mean, not bad, guys. And they have multiple mines here, as you can see. But obviously, we want to get diversified. We're going to try to play the momentum. And you don't have to buy the individual stocks, obviously. You can buy the ETFs. You don't have to go just for the, like if we come over to the ETF stock research tool, GDX actually comes up here. So type in GDX, it'll generate a report on GDX. You can get the information. Once again, this is part of Daily Investment Advice Pro. It'll tell you all about the ETF. It'll tell you everything. And, obviously verify, consult with a licensed financial advisor and all that kind of stuff. It does have a disclaimer. But yes, GDX, you could buy the GDX. You could buy the GDXJ. So diversified exposure of leading gold mining companies. And yeah, it gives you a risk analysis. It gives you support and resistance levels. It gives you all that kind of stuff. And you can even download a PDF as a research report. Obviously, verify the facts of all this because AI can hallucinate, right? It's not perfect, but it gives you a research report. It gives you information, the expense ratio, all the information you might be seeking in terms of what you need to keep in mind with this ETF. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be a prospectus, but it is something to work with here. And you can generate these analyses in seconds. It really is cool. And this is something that, like I said, I've been working on this to help you guys. If you're interested, you can check it out in the description. But just as, a disclaimer, none of this is financial advice, obviously. You should always do your own research. Even though our name is Daily Investment Advice, we are democratizing Wall Street. That is our goal, to bring you insights and recommendations to help you as an investor. However, we are not registered as a financial advisor, and we do fall under the publisher's exemption, meaning these recommendations are not specifically for your portfolio, and they might not fit in line with your risk tolerance and your investing goals and objectives. So keeping that in mind, whether it's GDX or whether it's any of the stocks we've discussed in this video, please do your own research. Please understand that none of this should be considered financial advice for your portfolio. And with that, thank you all for tuning in. This has been a video on the top 5 gold mining stocks to buy as gold hits $5,000 plus per ounce. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. Once again, this is a momentum trade. Just remember, gold is going up because of momentum. We are seeing the momentum trade happen in real time, and the momentum is going to continue, in my opinion. And as it does, we will see a larger move in the price of gold. No doubt about it. Or the price of these gold mining stocks. Like, as the momentum for the price of gold goes up, we're going to see a larger move in the gold mining stocks as well. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, for making it to the end, and we will see you all in the next one. Take care.